In one of my recent videos you would have seen I was in Southampton for the Hop Edition competition, but that's only part of the story. I've been lucky enough to get my hands on the Conflux recipe from Jimmy at Unity through my bestie, the Blue Trouser Brewer own Puckett. Conflux is a late kettle whirlpool hopped Citra and Idaho 7 house pale ale. This beer has a creamy mouthfeel and it's got pink grapefruit and notes of pineapple in the nose, and it's all at a super tannable 4.8%. This is my journey into making this beer. The fermentables, as you can see, I've put up on the screen, and the most important thing is the mash temp was 67 degrees, but actually I would recommend going higher to 70 degrees. Myself and Owen both found that the beers ended up a bit drier than expected. You're targeting a 1049, 1050 OG with a 1013 finishing gravity. To make it like a Unity beer, I would recommend that you target this profile with a high calcium. The hop schedule, it's all in the whirlpool, nothing in the actual kettle, so you're looking for a 77 degrees C whirlpool for 25 minutes, and you're looking for 2 grams per litre of Citra and 1 gram per litre of Idaho 7. I used Y Yeast Labs 1318 London Ale 3 and built up a starter. Dry hop at 15 degrees C, post diacetyl rest for 2 days. You want a Citra, 8 grams per litre of Citra and 2 grams per litre of Idaho 7. The two beers, the taste test, the ultimate, here we go. And it's actually, so I don't know if you can see, they are quite similar. Mine's is slightly hazier, funnily enough. But they are, I haven't tasted both of them, right? But on aroma, I'm like, these are pretty damn similar. It's just pure tropical. You get that slight pink grapefruit thing. It's that pure, it's just total tropical apricots and stuff going on. So mine's is the one with more in it because just off the tap, and Jimmy's is the one in the left, if that's what you can see. My left anyway. So colour, mine's is a touch darker. I don't know if it's because it's hazy or what, or it's just maybe the Pops malt that I use as my base is slightly darker maybe. But what we'll do, we'll try mine first. Oh, it's so good. Like, I'm no joking. My brother actually texted me tonight and he said, Andy, this is so good. Because if you look at the original start of the video, it was like a 46 litre batch I did, so it was in the big tank, but I gave you the 5 gallon in 23 litres. Okay. So I think Jimmy's is, mine's dried out a little bit, just a touch. So this one's a touch sweeter, a touch less bitter actually. Like super low bitterness. Mine's is just a tiny little bit more bitter and a tiny little bit less body. But it is very close. I mean, when you taste the two, you're getting the same sort of that Citra Idaho 7 combo that is just beautiful. And see, to be fair, like the haze is just not. It's sometimes a lot of my beers end up, they just brighten up. You know, they clear up. Even the hazy ones. This one, this isn't clearing. This is super haze. beautiful tropical juice. Really is. It's just this lovely sort of mix of tropical goodness and a kind of soft, pillowy body. Especially Jimmy's one. It's really, really soft. Slightly more kind of stone fruits coming through. Happy days, happy days. Can't beat that, can you, when you're brewing? I just want to say thanks, actually. Thanks to Jimmy. Absolute legend for giving us the recipe for the competition, the competition competition. And also to Malt Miller as well. If you guys actually just want to pick up this, they've actually got the kit on the website, so you can just hit order. Don't need to mess about with all the ingredients and all that sort of thing. You might want to get your water profile set up if you do that. And bang on to the Malt Miller and they'll get you sorted with a kit. How cool's that? And yeah, get on to Unity as well. Like, Jimmy's beers are absolutely fantastic. Good prices as well. I found you can't go wrong with Jimmy's beers. I put in a couple of those now and it's been really, really happy with the beers that I get through. And yeah, legend. There's an episode in the Hop Edition as well. If you want to go check that out. And you can listen to us chatting to him, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because Owen went over to the brewery. That's right. So check out that. Can't remember what episode it is, but it was a goodie. And yeah, try this out, guys. It's really, really good. I'll definitely be doing it again. I think, like I said earlier, the trick is a slightly higher mash temperature. We've been talking a lot about how London Ale 3 kind of attenuates a little bit higher than you think it will. So I think it's maybe more of a recent thing, the change with the yeast. And yeah, so the only way to combat that actually is a higher mash temp, which is we've been talking about a lot recent, kind of trying that 70 degrees, especially on your kind of low ABV pale ales to get a bit more body. But yeah, that's juice. That is juice. Really, really happy. Smashing. Alright. Well, glad you like it and need to try it. Alright. Well, I'll catch you later. Ta-ra. Bye.